Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin on interactive brokers. Margin trading lets you borrow money from your broker to buy more securities than you could with just your cash. This can significantly increase your potential returns, but it also comes with heightened risks. It's crucial to understand how margin works and the responsibilities involved before you begin. We'll cover the easy method to get started and manage your margin account effectively. To use margin, first ensure your Interactive Brokers account has margin privileges enabled. This usually involves an application process and meeting specific eligibility criteria. Once approved, you'll encounter two key requirements: initial margin and maintenance margin. Initial margin is the percentage of the purchase price you must pay with your own funds, often 50% for stocks. Maintenance margin is the minimum equity percentage you must maintain in your account, typically 25%. Placing a margin trade is straightforward once your account is set up. Simply select the security you wish to trade and initiate a buy or sell order. When entering your order, the system will automatically utilize margin if your available cash balance is less than the total trade value. For example, if you have $5,000 cash and buy $10,000 worth of stock, $5,000 will be borrowed on margin. Always confirm your order details before execution. Effective margin management is vital to mitigate risks. Continuously monitor your account's equity percentage, which is your total equity divided by the market value of your marginable securities. If this percentage drops below the maintenance margin, you will receive a margin call. This requires you to deposit additional funds or sell assets to bring your equity back above the threshold, usually within a few days. Failing to meet a margin call can lead to forced liquidation of your positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.